guys, so I want to share with you guys how I made this beautiful aesthetic vision board for 2024. I am super stoked about it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Wendy De La Rosa and I am so excited to be sharing with you guys another vision board tutorial. So
I am just prepping all for 2024.
This includes vision boards, mood boards, setting goals, setting intentions, manifesting my future self, my higher self. And so I want to share with you guys how I created this really cool vision board using Canva. If you guys been here for a while, then you guys can check back and see I did create a vision board using Pinterest as well as Goodnotes. Right away, I love doing it on Canva. This is truly the first way I started doing it was on Canva.
Actually, the very first way, hold on, let me get my, actually the very first way that I've created a vision board. So ever since I was young, probably about like in my early 20s, I started creating vision boards like this. So I had massive poster boards. This is like a little bit of a poster board.
And really what it comes down to is envisioning where do you see yourself? What do you want to manifest? What things do you desire with?
That I actually used for 2023, and it was really about just like incorporating more like body movement, stretching, making sure that I'm getting up and I'm moving, reading more books, eating healthier, with nature, furry, soft things, and I have a lot of words on here because I really wanted to manifest that personality trait or just, being that type of way. Things have came into fruition and it's just really beautiful to see how much that you grow. This was at work with me every day. I had it up in my little corner and I was able to view it every single day, and I would look at it and I would ponder on it and I would just feel it. And every day I would try to make something happen that would get me closer to this kind of lifestyle. And I think I have created that. That's why I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Because
it really is what you set your mind to, what you say, what you do. Your everyday habits will lead up to what you become and what you say about yourself and how you act and how you dress and just who you are. So if you don't have a clear idea of who you are or where you want to be, what roadmap to follow, people will put their own expectations on you and you will not feel good or successful because you're going to be living up to other people's standards. So this is a good time for you right now to really journal out, get an idea of who you want to be. What do you see yourself as? What do you want to do? What do you want to accomplish? I mean,
it doesn't have to be these big, giant, lofty goals. It can be something simple like maybe I just want to journal more. Maybe I want to read more. Maybe I want to spend more time with my friends. It can be something small as that, but you need to have some kind of idea, and you can set it up for the whole year. You can set it up. It could be like one word with an intention, or it could be like one
big, giant goal that you want to accomplish. And if you do this goal, it's a domino effect because everything else in your life is going to follow. And so everything in your life is connected. So you cannot think that it isn't, but everything in your life is connected. So what I like to do with vision boards is I really just create time to journal and write out some goals that I want, that I see myself like overarching goals for the whole year. And then every month I kind of break it down to like, what do I want to focus on this month, this quarter, and just break it down. And
right now I'm at the mode where I'm just really trying to find my creativeness. Like I love creating things, I love creating content, I love editing, I love recording videos for you guys. And so that's kind of where my mind is going. It's obviously on personal development. I love personal development, I love leadership, I love giving mentoring and just helping people. But I also have to do it where I'm not hurting myself. In the past I gave so much I didn't have enough to serve myself. So I am setting up boundaries.
So my vision board that I created for my year is really more about that self-care, spending time, that dark vibe aesthetics. Let's turn my camera over and check this out. Okay, here's my little desk setup, and you guys can see I have it open already, and I kind of did it already because I was just like in the mode, and I guess I got carried away. I would say, why don't you write down what your goals are and then head over to Pinterest. So I go under my saved, and into my save, I have all these different little boards that I've saved already that I just started thinking about. I have 2024 ideas, words. I want to run a marathon. There's things in here, so I'll be using these probably for my January vision board. But like I said, I created my overall arching board. So these are all words and things that I am aligning with, that are resonating with my future self. Check it out. Head over to my Pinterest. Let's go back. So all you're going to do, like you guys saw my last tutorial, you're going to go into whatever board you want. So let's just say, go back here. What did I just do right now? Let's say you want to envision, like I said, I want to do more editing and social media and like content. So went ahead and I'll click on one of these images, and you guys should know how to do this by now if you watch my videos. You click on them, and then there's a little 3 dots here. You'll go ahead and click on that, and you'll download the image. Okay, so once you download it, it's going to go ahead and download it in the background. Download it. You can label it if you want. Save it on the desktop. It'll go over here if you have a MacBook, and then you're going to go open to Canva here. This was actually a template that I just pulled out. So I want to do landscape. I'll probably do another one like horizontal, but I went ahead and uploaded all of my files and my videos. So you just go ahead and hit upload, find the last picture that you did and go ahead and hit upload. Make sure the pictures are high quality so that you can have a really pretty aesthetic collage. And then what I just did with this one, it was really easy because it was just like plug and play, which I have one you guys can download as well, same concept. But this just has you put a little bit like squares in there, so I just added them all in there, little rectangles. And then I put a word in, ikiga. If I said that right, don't know. It's kind of hard to pronounce. I have to probably look it up again. But I've been hearing a lot about this word, like on podcasts, in books, in speakers, and it's really about just aligning yourself and your passion, just finding who you are, what you're about, your values, your roles, but also living that to the fullest and making a lifestyle of it and profiting from it. So I felt like that was like just, this is like my whole overall life for the year. Like I really just want dark aesthetics, working out, eating good, photography, doing video editing, running. I'm definitely going to be running this year, and maybe get a new car, editing more, and just kind of just taking that time for myself. So this is my vision board, and that's what I created. Then you're going to go ahead and hit share, and you want to download it. Here's where the trick is, because you want to make sure it's high quality, is you're going to download it in PNG. And then when you click on it, it's going to be the best, right? For the best. So you're going to go ahead and download. Once you download it, then airdrop it to your iPad or airdrop it to your phone. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. Well, you guys can see what it looks like on my iPad. But this is it, and it's very simple. I mean, literally, you can do this probably within like less than like 15 minutes, and then you have your very own vision board. And you can look at this every day and just meditate. And then if things change out, like say, for example, maybe I have a shin splint and I can't run, I can obviously change that out. But there you guys have it. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how to make your very own vision board, and I hope you level up in 2024. Love ya.